everybody, Abby here with Travel Leaders, and I'm here today with Scotty from Princess Cruises, one of our preferred suppliers and one of our favorite cruise lines. And he's here doing some training and updating with us and telling us the latest and greatest that Princess has to offer. And he's got some exciting news.
Yes, thanks very much for having me. It's been great working with the Travel Leaders of Abilene. They're always one of our top partners here. We do have some great information and great news. We are sailing currently out of the Port of Houston with the Caribbean Princess and doing Western itineraries of Belize City, Belize, Honduras, and Cozumel in 3 days at sea. We are bringing another ship back doing the same itinerary on November 11th. The Emerald Princess will be doing that exact same itinerary and 7 days Western Caribbean from the Port of Houston.
Perfect. Well, we're excited to have him come back.
Me too.
Houston's so close, so come see us if you want to go down to Houston and take a cruise on the Emerald Princess later this year.
Thanks, Scott.
Thank you.
Bye.